Have you ever worried if the money you're sending online is truly safe? In a world where we're all constantly tapping, sending, and receiving money on our phones, that little question can be a big source of stress. Digital payment apps like Mamo Pay have become a part of our daily lives, making it incredibly convenient to split a dinner bill, pay a freelancer, or even run a whole business. But with this convenience comes a critical question: how reliable and secure is Mamo Pay, really? That's what we're here to break down today. We're going to dive into the security measures, the regulatory landscape, and the overall reliability of Mamo Pay so you can feel confident and informed about how your money is being handled. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about the foundation of trust: regulation. In the financial world, being regulated by a government body is a massive indicator of reliability. Mamo Limited is not just a random app, it's a registered company in the Dubai International Financial Center, or DIFC. It is regulated and licensed by the Dubai Financial Services Authority, DFSA, with a providing money services license. This isn't just a fancy badge, it means Mamo has to meet strict criteria, including having robust systems, safeguarding client money, and adhering to specific safety and operational procedures. A key part of this regulation is how Mamo handles your money. The DFSA requires that a regulated entity like Mamo partners with a local banking partner, regulated by the Central Bank of the UAE, to store client funds. These funds are held in special client money accounts that are completely separate from Mamo's own operational funds. This is a huge deal. It means your money is not being used for Mamo's day-to-day business, it's protected in a separate, dedicated account. Now, let's move beyond the legal framework and talk about the technology behind the scenes. What specific security features are in place to protect your data and transactions? Mamo takes a multi-layered approach. For starters, when you log in, your account is protected with secure login options like face or fingerprint identification, or through single sign-on providers like Google and Apple. This adds a crucial layer of biometric or multi-factor authentication, making it much harder for unauthorized users to access your account. Every transaction is also monitored in real time. Mamo has a robust fraud prevention system that uses both internal and external subsystems to score and flag suspicious activity. The company also employs a dedicated risk and compliance team to regularly investigate transactions. If you've ever had a credit card company call you about a strange purchase, you know how important this kind of proactive monitoring is. Data protection is another critical element. Mamo operates in a jurisdiction with a strong data protection law, and it's committed to storing your data on secure servers. Any sensitive action, like requesting a significant change to your account, requires verification to ensure it's really you. This verification before action policy is a simple but effective way to prevent fraud. Mamo also partners with third-party security audit firms to perform regular vulnerability and security tests, and they are PCI DSS compliant, which is a global standard for handling cardholder data. They've also made strategic partnerships that boost their security. Mamo chose to partner with Stripe, a global leader in payment processing. Stripe's advanced technology provides Mamo with features like fraud detection and a massive boost to platform uptime, ensuring transactions are not only secure but also reliable and fast. Mamo also uses services like Verif for online identity verification during the onboarding process to prevent fraudulent users from even getting on the platform in the first place. Mamo Pay's reliability and security are built on a solid foundation of government regulation, robust technological safeguards, and strategic partnerships. The fact that it's a licensed and regulated financial entity in the UAE, with segregated client funds, is a major vote of confidence. The combination of secure login, real-time fraud monitoring, data encryption, and third-party security audits paints a picture of a company that takes security seriously. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.